Hey guys, Chelsea from Attention to Details, and hopefully you're not eating lunch when you're watching this video, but if you are, my apologies. We are doing a bug remover video demonstration for you guys. My friend Kelly Jones from Royal Reflections sent me over her more popular product, the bug remover, and we're going to test out its power on this Impreza. This Impreza hasn't been washed in quite some time, and unfortunately some of the bug acid or residue etched into the clear, but as much as we can chemically remove any of the stuck-on debris that's on this vehicle without having to be overly aggressive, spend tons of time scrubbing it and potentially scratching the clear, we're going to try to do this chemically. So this is her Bug Eliminator bug remover. This is one of her more popular products on her website. You can see this is a ready-to-use product, or you can dilute it down to 3 parts water, 1 part product. Spray it on a cool surface. I would recommend wetting your surface before you spray it on, but because I didn't want any of you guys thinking that I had blasted off the bug residue before we use the chemical, we're applying it dry. But just for your own purposes, if you're going to use this product, I would recommend wetting the surface before you spray it on, just to prevent any sort of staining if it is a little bit of a rough condition. And if you're nervous, you can dilute it down, but let it sit for 30 seconds up to 3 minutes. And I just let it kind of sit on there. You can see it's already going to town, loosening a lot of that stuck on residue. And it's going to do a fantastic job of removing that bug residue for us quickly and easily. I don't know about you, I hate scrubbing bug residue off of vehicles. One, it gets stuck in my wash mitts, and then when you put it in your wash bucket, it's going to leave little floating pieces of bugs all over the water, and that's just gross. I don't want to put my hand back in there. So if we can chemically remove the bug residue without having to deal with the remnants, without having to be overly aggressive, potentially scratch the clear coat, that's a fantastic product for me, and you can see it's doing just that. This is my 40-degree tip with my NV925 sprayer on my Ryobi 1900. This isn't anything super aggressive, and it is just blasting all of that bug residue right off. So we're going to let this air dry for just a second, so that way I'm not putting a microfiber towel on it and you think that the microfiber is removing the bug residue. And you can see it did a fantastic job of safely, quickly, and effectively removing all of that stuck on bug residue. So now when we come in with our wash media, I don't have to spend as much time or as much effort removing any sort of bug residue from the vehicle. We didn't stain the clear coat. Everything looks fantastic. So hopefully you enjoy this closer look at Bug Eliminator from Royal Reflections, their bug remover. Fantastic product. I'll put the link for it in the video description box down below. But thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, stay tuned for future videos, and we'll see you in the next detail.